We are just like in a Lord of the Rings movies and going through the gates of hell. Mordor, my precious. The water looks so tempting. We would love to go swimming here.
So green water here, but unfortunately no bathing.
Yes, Elephant Stones just continues in a Czech and Poland border area. Yeah, came to see a lot of rocks, beautiful rocks. Again, off-season travel really pays off. Here is 500 people per hour walking through these small paths, and now in the April, I think maybe 20. This is quite a big place. We have been here like I think over an hour, and we have been doing in a quite good pace, but still so much to see. Really nice. I think this was a climbing mecca back in the start of the 90th centuries. The owner of the manor and owner of this area was a climber that actually their son died here climbing. And you can see those really old rusty rings on the rocks where they have climbed. So would be a really nice climbing place. And this is a mouse hole. This place is not for claustrophobic.
Suck it in!
If this would be in the US, I think there would be some kind of a gate on the start of the path, testing if you can fit to this crevice. And from this angle it looks so much smaller.
These rocks are so impressive. This is a sugar cone, the pointy one.
(1820s) somebody tacked this stone. And maybe they had their own picture here. We call this a Finnish lake because it's so brown. Most of the lakes in Finland are brown, and this is just like there. Coming back home. You can even take boat ride in the summer months here. But yeah, it's a little swamp lake. As everyone knows, we are 8 AM people. These are 10 AM people. Yeah, always come to places, even on off season, writing in the morning time. So you can be here all alone. We were here all alone for over an hour, and now it's quite packed. And you might be wondering why Sarah is here, even if this is a paid path. Well, I made a joke on Sarah. I didn't give her internet at all past 2 days and thought that we are gonna go some hiking, and bought tickets online.
And didn't tell me.
So in that sense, Sarah didn't break her principles. It was me.
Our nature day continues here in the sunnier side of the Poland, and it's so hard to find a free parking spot in the nature spots. But we did it. Everything is parking platny, which means paid parking, because Poland is so huge country and there's just so much Polish people living in this country.
The reality of in beautiful places, you cannot fly drone.
Never.
Never. But there is a benefit if you pay for the parking. You have these nice railings. We came from there. I agree with Sarah that all nature should be free to enjoy. There's only tickets sold in the summertime, not in the winter time. So Sarah already got so pissed about this being paid, so she went back to the van, and I'm here in a billet booth and it's free. So I'm enjoying this place to myself, alone. Yeah, it's good to have alone time also when you are living in a van. There's no road here, but they have a cable cars that they bring all the supplies down from there. Pretty nice. And Sarah was so pissed about that this is paid path up here. So she went back to the van and I'm continuing. And just putting music here where you can see the beautiful place. Not my face. Now I'm talking. That looks like ape. A lot. And there's a hen. You can see the head over there. And it's laying eggs. And this is some kind of Polish thing. So you take a stick and you balance it in the bottom part of the rock. I haven't seen that anywhere else but in Poland. Just came back to the van and told Sarah that it's free.
Yeah, but I have principles. I think nature should be always free to everybody. I refuse to pay for the nature. But I guess this time it would be free. Ah, my bad. Stopper me keeping my principles. At least I can see the footage when I'm editing this video. Was it beautiful?
One thing is sure in the nature, the coffee tastes so good. After being in the Balkan and Greece area and coming back to north, the tomatoes are
really hard.
So in Greece they are really soft.
And overripe in our opinion.
So these are, in Greek opinion, they are too raw. To us this is the perfect.
Yeah. Compact kitchen outdoors, and we are making spinach pierogi.
So basically a pasta which has this spinach filling. And they have also potato filling, a meat filling, and I think mushroom filling. Whatever floats your boat. This time we want the spinach. Spinach is always good. We love spinach.
Living the dream, parking lot lunches. So convenient live in your camper van because you can just pull your van wherever and start cooking.
Good food incoming. And you can leave the door open. It's a sign of spring.
For sure. Let's taste pierogi.
So the pierogi, not beer this time. Okay. Yeah, I call this rough spinach because there's a part of the stems are also in the food.
Is it hot?
Yeah. Spinach version, 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, pretty good.
Czech beer in Poland. To prove it the original way. We have been in Eastern Europe for so long time.
2 years.
And the beers there are, yeah, they make it a different way. The wrong way. And it's not that pleasant taste. But
Finally a good beer here in Central Europe. Cheers.
cheers.
Thanks for hanging out with us in the nature. These rock days has been really nice.
Yeah, lots of rocks all around the Poland and Czech.